Good morning, students. Today I am coming here with an explanation of chapter 6 from class 9 general science syllabus, that is the tissues. So today I am going to discuss about the various types of plant tissues that is explained in your textbook under the NCERT syllabus. So first of all, the definition of tissue you should know, because we are going to discuss about the plant tissue. If you don't know what is a tissue, then it will be difficult to understand. So this tissue means a group of cells. Generally, this group of cells are similar in structure and they are performing the similar works, or their aim is the same. That means for the same purpose, all of them are working, all the cells are doing their works to fulfill the same work or same life process. So in case of plants, we are observing different types of cells as well as different types of tissues, and already I told you, according to the definition, the tissue, the cells are combining to make a tissue, and when the cells are gathering to make a tissue, that cells are generally similar in shape and size. But here in case of plants, some tissue we will learn that where the cells are not having the same structure or their size that is different, but then also they work together for the same purpose. One thing is very clear, that in a tissue, all the cells, they are working for the same goal. You cannot say that all of them, their functions are same. Functions may be different, but all of them are working for the same. Okay, so that is a tissue. So firstly, the plant tissue is mainly classified into two. One is the meristematic tissue and another one is the permanent tissue. So what is this? We'll discuss about it. So first of all, this meristematic tissue, we are going to discuss about that. So this meristematic tissue, already I told you that tissue is a group of cells. So in meristematic tissue also there are so many cells. It is a group of cells. And interesting thing is that cells which are gathering to make the meristematic tissue, they are actually they are evergreen cells. So with the word evergreen, I want to represent that they are always young. They never be old. Okay, the cells of the meristematic tissue are always young. It means these cells, they are capable of cell division. So when they are becoming adult, at that time cell division occurs. So when cell division occurs, then after cell division the new cell is formed. That means the cell is not getting the chance to be old. So that is why I am giving a relative name to them, that is the young cells. Okay, so this meristematic tissue is found in some of the growing parts of the plant body. As already I told you, the cells of this tissue are having the capacity of cell division. That means they become they divide to become more. If one is there, then after division it becomes 2, then 4, like this they are increasing by division. So that is why in the growing parts, that part which is growing, that requires more cells, and that more cells are formed by the process of cell division, and that cell division is performed by the meristematic tissue, the cells of the meristematic tissue. So definitely that meristematic tissue is present in the growing parts of a plant body. Now there is a question that which parts of a plant body are growing. So mainly 3 parts we are observing in plants which are growing. First of all, that is the apical part. That means the tip of a root or tip of a shoot that is growing. Shoot means, from where we are getting the branches, stems. So these stems are growing, roots are growing. So at the tip of the roots or at the tip of the stems or branches, one type of meristematic tissue is present, And that type of meristematic tissue is said as the apical meristem because they are present in the apical part. Apical part means front part. So they are present in the front part, they are present in the apical part. So it is called as a apical meristem. Secondly, we are getting some of the meristematic tissue in the intercalary part. Intercalary part means which one? In a stem there are nodes. Okay, so near the nodes, that part is said as the intercalary part, and in that part, from that part, buds are coming. Flower buds maybe, stem bud maybe, twig bud maybe, leaf bud maybe. So this type of buds are coming from there, and buds are growing. Bud does not remain same in size; it is growing. So this growth, it is because of the division of the cells. Already I told you. So as these parts are growing, so definitely there should be the meristematic tissue there. And that type of meristematic tissue is said as the apical meristem. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry, very, very sorry. It's said as the intercalary meristem. Okay? And lastly, you are looking, that's when the plants are becoming old. At that time, they are girth. That means, the diameter of the plant is increasing. That means they become fat. Okay? So, this diameter or the girth of the plant is also increasing because of one type of meristematic tissue, and that type of meristematic tissue is said as the lateral meristem. Lateral means side. So as this meristematic tissue helps the plant to grow sidewise, in their side it is increasing. That is why we are getting the bigger girth. Okay, so that is why this type of meristematic tissue is said as the lateral meristem. So these three types of meristematic tissue we are observing in plants. So again, one thing I want to remind you that this type of meristematic tissue is based on their location. That means where they are present. According to that, these three types of meristematic tissue are there. But in higher classes, you will learn about another different types of meristematic tissue also, according to their origin, according to their function, like this, different types of meristematic tissue also you will observe. So this is for today. In my next class, I will continue this chapter. Till then, if you have any doubt or question about these three parts or three types of meristematic tissue, you can message me or you can give comments below this video. Thank you. Have a good day.